At this point P and at this time T, you are required to remain silent because anything you do, like scrolling past this reel, will be used against you in my comment section. So guys, we are making the premium fisherman soup. So in your pot, add your fish, your well washed fish, add your salt, your seasoning cubes, your onions blended with pepper, guys, and add water. Go ahead to sprinkle some curry leaves for extra flavor, guys. Bring this to a boil. Now add your already cooked, please pay attention to already cooked snails, guys, and now sprinkle some crayfish, guys. This is what we call achi. So you're gonna dissolve that in palm oil, guys, mix together and pour it into your boiling fish. Add your pepper and onions again, guys, at this level for just extra spice. And guys, look at what you have. Just allow that to keep boiling. Add some chopped okra, and guys, the leaf I use for fisherman soup is Uziza leaves. Proceed to add your prawns. If you have prawns, oysters, any type of seafood, guys, add that in. I didn't find crabs. Crabs is the only thing that is missing for me. And guys, let's test it. Now I'll sprinkle more curry leaf for that extra flavor, guys. Trust me, this tasted really good. Serve with any protein of your choice, but for me, semo does it better. Happy birthday to the lady that I'm serving this premium delicacy today. I love you guys. Mwah!